Thank you for clicking on this video. This one is a little different. This is what I call a click class. And the reason I call it that is I'm going to show you exactly what to do in order to remove a background for any image, like the title said. But what's special about this is that in the description below, there's a link that you can use for yourself to guide yourself through the process, and you actually have to click and do what the actions say in order to get to the end product. So it's kinesthetic learning. You're going to be reading, you're going to be actually doing the process, and then hopefully you're going to learn it in about 20 seconds, and you're going to be able to solve the problem that you are actually looking for the answers for. You're going to be able to use this link and distribute it to anyone that you want. Maybe it's students, maybe it's other teachers, maybe it's just someone that is asking a question, or maybe it's yourself. So right now I'm going to show you how to remove any background from any image. So I'm on my website, parksandeducation.com, and I've started to put these click classes online. So I'm going to go ahead down to this one, and you can learn it in 11 clicks. And so I'm going to click there, and this is the screen that comes up. And so the website that you want to use is Removebg. I know a ton of teachers that I've taught about virtual classrooms or Bitmoji classrooms, whatever you want to call it. We've used Removebg to get the backgrounds out from those vector images that they're putting into their classes. I know a lot of people search for transparent images, transparent backgrounds, things like that, but Removebg will be your best friend. And not just for Bitmoji classrooms, but maybe it's for something in science or math that you want to put onto a worksheet. It can be used for anything. So in order to do this and use actually my click class, you're going to press start. And the information's over here. So your first step in going ahead and removing the background is to search for something and use the word vector. Vector is going to keep it that cartoon look. So you can't really see it here in my search bar, but it says chair vector. And so I'm going to click. I'm going to scroll and find the actual item that I want to, and then I'm going to left click on it, and it will open it up. And then you can see in the directions, we're going to right click this preview picture and actually copy the image. And so when we go into remove.bg, so it took us to remove.bg, it's a brand new tab. You would type that in a brand new tab in your browser. You're then going to use Control V to paste your picture anywhere you want to on the screen. So I'm going to press down Control V. And if you give it a second, you can see that it's working. It just works a little bit, and it'll take you to the next action. So now that we have this pasted here, we're going to, this is the best part about it, is that you don't have to download it if you don't want to. You can actually right click on this and copy the image, and then you're able to paste it anywhere that you want. So I'm going to try to paste it into a slideshow. And so I opened up a new slideshow. I'm going to click on a blank slideshow, and then I'm going to just right click somewhere on that page, and I'm going to paste my chair. Now this is another cool feature, just in case you are using this for a Bitmoji classroom, you can rearrange this so we can flip it horizontally. And we start that by going up to the arrange tool in the toolbar, and then down to rotate, and then flip horizontally. And there it is. We've done it. And you've completed your first click class. So hopefully it does two things. One, it makes you check out the other click classes that I've used, and hopefully you reuse this one and go through it yourself. Again, it's linked in the description below. So just click that and open it up. You'll be able to see the link. You can also go to parksandeducation.com to find it. But most importantly, more than anything else, hopefully you know how to take the background away from any image that you find or have.